how to turn off or disable virus protection in Windows 11. First, let's look at how to temporarily disable Windows Defender. Open the Start menu, type Windows Security, and click on it. This will open the Windows Security app. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click on Manage Settings. Find the Real-Time Protection option and toggle it off. Windows will ask you for confirmation. Click Yes. Scroll down and then toggle off Tamper Protection. Your virus protection is now temporarily turned off. Remember to turn it back on when you are done with whatever task required it to be off. Let's look at how to disable Windows Defender for a longer period. Open the Start menu, type Group Policy, and click on Edit Group Policy. In the Group Policy editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Select Enable and then click Apply and OK. This will disable Windows Defender until you re-enable the policy or reset it. For advanced users, you can also disable Windows Defender using the Registry Editor. Open the Start menu, type Registry Editor, and click on it. Windows will ask you for confirmation. Click Yes. Now navigate to this path: Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Right click on here, select New, select the word 32-bit value, then type Disable Anti-Spyware, then hit Enter. Now double click on it and set the value 1, then click OK. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. If you want to enable it again, then delete this script and restart your computer. And that's how you can turn off or disable virus protection on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.